So we wanted to find a really easy way to disconnect from your phone more often. What we ended up building is a Bluetooth beacon, and that looks like a little cube that will sit in any room in your house. And when you're in that room, you cannot access your apps. Your phone will not have access to its apps. Basically, it works in conjunction with our Ransomly app. So in a way, you create a quiet space, a distraction-free space in your house where it is just people again. It's really great for something like the dining room table or your bedroom or study, really any place where you want to connect to the real people in your life or yourself. When you're friends with someone on the Ransomly app, you can block each other's apps and you can send quote unquote a ransom note with that block. For example, my girlfriend will block my Facebook and Instagram, which a couple apps I really love, and she'll send a note that says something like, these are blocked until you do the dishes. And it's a super effective way to get me to do chores I don't like. But you can also send sweet notes. Sometimes the notes are like, these are blocked until you take a walk or you give me a kiss. So it becomes a reminder to check in with the people, the real people in my life that I love. To have a family room like I had when I was growing up, it used to be enough just to have 4 walls. Now kids will walk into that family room with the whole world in their pocket. They have they're connected to all their friends, and all the information in the world is right there. If you really want to create a safe space for your kid and your family, then you do have to put up some digital walls. That's why we created Ransomly, to create these safe spaces, these distraction-free spaces, so families can reconnect.
You might be wondering what happened. It works. Oops, it can't be charged. Charging is very slow. It's surprisingly fast. Let's try some other cell phones. What will happen? It's never got 100% charged. Or whatever could happen. Okay, I have no idea. It's a magic adapter with a magnetic cord. It's 100% compatible with any USB power source. It works with all phones you have. It's safe. It's fast. It's reliable. It's effective. All you need is to find a USB power source. Here, there, everywhere. Smoothly attached, gently detached. It makes things so easy.
My name is Junaid Jasani. I am CEO of SvenskFabriken. We are focusing on VR drones because we believe in 2017 VR and drone will be a big success. That's why we have started working on this technology from now. Our concept is adaptable drones, or drones that can be converted into vehicle and vice versa. Our drones are having FPV cameras, so it means it can be used in a VR glasses and user can have the same feeling as like a pilot seat or driving seat. Our vision is to be one of the few companies in the world who will produce drones for commercial purposes like delivering food or helping groceries. In the meantime, we will focus on our adaptable drone series and we will introduce new features within a year. In order to make this idea a big success, we need you to try our product and give us a constructive feedback so we improve this product in future again and again. If this becomes a success, then we can invest more money and more time in our new series. Thank you.